Hi everyone, myself Anil. Hope you all doing well. So first, let me introduce myself. I'm working as an integration specialist in one of the reputed organization. I have been working in integration industry from last few years. If anyone want the better opportunities, even freshers or experienced candidates, getting certified will give very good opportunities in MNCs. So here I'd like to share Mule certification knowledge using this channel, and I will be sharing what type of questions we can see in certification exam from each topic. And I will be selecting a topic and share you expected questions and answers. I'll also give detailed explanation in studio to prove the result. In Mule certification exam, they will give Mule flows and also XMLs in the exam, and we need to understand these XMLs and also these flows, and we need to choose the correct answer. So we can see how many questions we can expect from each topic. I will explain questions and answers from each topic in detail in future videos. For now, from Mule event means event data structure, Mule event data structure. From Mule event, we can expect one question: API-led connectivity, AnyPoint exchange, API manager, Mule flow. From Mule flow, we can expect 3 to 4 questions compulsory, and a logger, URI parameter, query parameter. So URI and query parameters, we can expect questions with a combination of in a data wave, database connector, and also HTTP connectors. But at least minimum 4 questions we can expect in the exam from URI parameters and query parameters. Dependencies means we use Maven, right? So PAM.xml. So from that, we can expect 1 or 2 questions. HTTP connectors and properties, Mule debugger, choice router, and data wave. Data wave is a bigger topic again here. So we can expect at least 9 to 10 questions from the data wave. It connects with most of all other topics. So we can discuss them in future. And JMS connector for each batch job. So we can also see, what type of questions we get from for each, and sometimes we get questions by comparing these two, for each and batch job. And scatter gather, FTP, and database. Exception handlings. Coming to exception handling, same as I said, like this. They'll give us a flow diagram, same like this, and they'll say at this point error is occurred, and what is the result for the end user. In that case, we do write code in this error handling, right? So we need to observe all of them when the error is occurred, where it is moving, and how we are handling the exception. So we need to understand the flow and also XML, and then we need to choose the correct answer there. And validations. So validations, see here, we have a validation module, right? So there we have is false, is null, is not null, is number, is string. So these from this validation module, we can expect 1 or 2 questions. And RAML API kit router. So RAML, who want to learn APIs or who want to be perfect in REST APIs. So they should have a better understanding on RAML. From RAML and with a combination of others, we can expect minimum 4 questions, more than 4, compulsory more than 4, but minimum 4 questions. So, I will take each and every topic and give you questions and answers in short and sweet manner with clear understanding. So we'll meet in the next video with our first topic, Mule event, Mule data structure. So thank you very much, guys. Good luck. We'll see you in the next video.